Let's jump right in with the Hyundai Tucson. Our compact crossover has grown far beyond our expectations since it originally launched in 2004. Tucson sales have doubled over the past 4 years, despite heavy competition in this crowded segment. In addition to winning customers' hearts, Tucson has earned some of the industry's most coveted awards for safety, value, and quality. Most recently, the J.D. Power Award for the most dependable small SUV. So with this refresh, we're going to keep a good thing going. There's greater depth and dimension in the front fascia surface and in our signature cascading grille. It has a more polished profile with new chrome trim. Other visual changes include new rear surfacing and new light designs front and rear. Inside, an all-new instrument panel gives the cabin a more wide-open appearance. A new freestanding touchscreen adds a modern touch, and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are now standard. Hyundai BlueLink is standard on 86% of the Tucson mix and delivers enhanced safety, diagnostics, and voice guidance services, all free of charge for the first 3 years of ownership. On the safety front, collision avoidance assist is now standard. Available features include smart cruise control with stop and go, surround view monitor, and Qi wireless charging. The 2019 Tucson is ready for new adventures when it reaches Hyundai dealerships this fall. So that's number 4 in our CUV plan. Now, let's talk about number 5. One of our next generation models making its North American debut right here today. 3 generations of Santa Fe have sold more than 1.5 million units since 2000, the best of any Hyundai crossover.